This is a '08 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4.7 liter V8, and we're going to do the thermostat. Now, normally, most cars you see the thermostat's kind of up top. This one isn't. It's down here.
On the passenger side.
On the passenger side. Down here under this pulley on this car anyway. It's under the spindle.
Alright, so it looks like the thermostat would go in here because that's where most of them are. And it does look like it. But down on the passenger side, where the big hose is, not the two little hose, and he's pointing at it with the drill. That's Ron, that's where the thermostat is located. And do you have the thermostat?
Thermostat was a little spaceship. It's directional, so put it in whatever way the other one was in.
And he just replaced the water pump, and they recommend that you change the thermostat. So he wanted to make this video to show you that where it is located, because it is a little complicated, and we didn't see anything online showing the location of that thermostat. So it's right under this.
I saw one guy say anything about that it was even down there. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory to do this stuff, but
so is it easier to change from the bottom because you have a lot of access down there?
Yes, it's much easier to change from the bottom.
All right, so we're just gonna slide under here and just take a peek for the heck of it. And it's right there. It looks like it's real easy to get to from the bottom.
Yep. 2 bolts and it's done.
Yep, take the clamp, take the clip off, right there. Take the housing off. Then you have a little gasket for it too, you said?
The gasket's built in.
Okay, comes with a gasket. Should take about a half hour, even if that, so. It's real easy. The key is knowing where it is. And do you have to drain the system first?
Yeah, you want to drain the system, otherwise it's all going to come out at you in one shot in your face.
All right, so that's where it is. And what year is this?
'08 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
And that covers multiple years.
Yes, it does.
Multiple years. Joe Beermaster, I hope this helped. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And thanks, Ron, for suggesting this video. Take care.